Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Nightfall Gray Metallic 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT, stock number A7231. Right away up front, you've got a sharp chrome trim on the grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here that is wrapped in a hand-cut Kinergy tire. And inside there is a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a backup camera here. You've also got keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean inside. That second row seating does fold into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Malibu today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium sound system, and you've also got power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel here, you have cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a push-button start here. Coming over to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you do have capabilities for OnStar navigation. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. There are buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 36 miles per gallon. And then coming up above the rear view mirror, you can see that this is also equipped with OnStar. If you'd like to get more information on this Chevrolet or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.